In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up stop loss and take profit on Tradovate. If you're trading futures on Tradovate, a reliable way to control risk and automate your exits is to use an ATM, or Active Trader Management strategy. This lets you predefine a stop loss and a profit target, so they're automatically attached to your order the moment you enter a trade. That means less scrambling during fast markets and more consistency in your trade management. Here's how to set it up. Start by working from either the chart or the SuperDOM, whichever you prefer. Look for the ATM dropdown near your order entry controls. Click it, then choose Configure. This opens the ATM configuration window, where you'll tell Tradovate how far you want your stop loss and profit target to sit from your entry. You'll enter these distances in ticks. A tick is the smallest price movement for the instrument you're trading. Different markets have different tick sizes and tick values, so it's worth double-checking your instrument's specifications. When you input the tick value for your stop loss, you're setting how far below or above your entry the protective stop will be placed, depending on whether you're long or short. Then, set the tick value for your profit target, which defines where your exit for profit will automatically land. Choose values that align with your plan. Think about your typical trade duration, the instrument's volatility, and your risk-to-reward expectations. For example, some traders prefer a stop loss that reflects recent swing highs or lows, and a profit target that offers a reasonable reward relative to the risk. The key is that you're defining these distances before you place the trade, so everything is ready when you click Buy or Sell. Once your ATM is configured and enabled in the dropdown, those bracket orders will automatically attach to your entry. After you're in a position, you'll see the stop loss and profit target lines on your chart. You can fine-tune them by simply clicking and dragging the lines to new levels. Tradovate will update the orders in real time, and the bracket stays linked to your position. This makes it easy to tighten your stop as the trade moves in your favor, or to nudge your target to a logical level on the chart. A quick tip: practice this workflow in a simulated account first, especially to get a feel for how many ticks translate to the dollar risk you're comfortable with. Once it feels natural, you'll be ready to apply it live with confidence. That's all you need to set up stop loss and take profit on Tradovate using an ATM strategy.